Quinn has the hiccups, not for the first time. Maybe for the first time out here.
For the first time as an outside baby.
Yeah.
Oh.
Look
Look at her looking around.
Do we give her some peanut butter?
Peanut butter.
Yeah. Or make her drink a glass of water upside down.
No.
No?
She doesn't seem to mind it.
No.
I think she's kind of used to it. She had hiccups a lot.
She should be. She should be used to it. Use a hiccuping baby, ain't ya? Oh, this is hilarious. She's thinking. Oh yeah, this is wonderful. Oh yeah. She's opening her eyes a lot more. Nom 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 nom.
Yeah.
My hand tastes really
Quinn's
good.
a happy baby. She's a happy baby.
And she's got a clean diaper and food in her belly. But she has both now, so now if we just get rid of the hiccups, we'll be set. You want some pretzels?